Too often, we underestimate the impact of tourism on growth, on SME development, on livelihoods, and on job creation. More reason to commend the efforts of the government toward development of its tourism industry. Indeed, tourism receipts are among some of the most sustainable ways of growing the economy. The World Bank has been supporting Ghana's tourism development through a $40 million project, namely the Ghana Tourism Development Project. While this project took off slowly, Your Excellency, its implementation accelerated remarkably under the leadership at the ministry, the new leadership. And on this note, I would like to congratulate the Ghana Tourism Minister, Dr. Ibrahim Ewal, for his excellent leadership and that of his team, which has enabled the project to make significant progress. The bank stands ready to work with the government to further improve on its huge tourism potential, including developing capacity and physical infrastructure.